Here it is. Perfect. So I have a few questions. They will be very short. We won't take longer than 15 minutes. So yeah, I'll just go right to the first one. And what was your absolute biggest challenge prior to purchasing or getting your own VA with REI call center?
I would say my biggest challenge was being able to get leads consistently. Prior to hiring a VA, I was utilizing some marketing strategy, doing some cold calling myself. I do work full time, and it was quite a task. So being able to manage the flow of leads was difficult. I would say probably the biggest challenge.
I understand. Thank you.
Mhm.
And how did that challenge make you feel?
Um, I just knew that I had to get it solved, right? So that's why I kind of started seeking out different solutions on, what I can do in order to get a stable stream of leads. Um, so yeah, it just made me know that I needed a problem to solve, and that's why I seeked a VA. And then also, after trying to figure out, all right, I'm going to hire a VA, but then there comes training and managing, and um, just being able to make sure that your VA is, up to par to what you're trying to do or what you're trying to accomplish. So that's why I think REI was a good fit for me, because they were doing training and operations and handling that aspect as well.
Perfect. So what would you say was the biggest thing or the biggest and as detailed as you wanna get, whatever you feel inspired to share here, that changed? What changed after getting your own VA and working with us?
The biggest thing that changed was just the constant leads I was getting in pretty much on a daily basis. And that just put me right to work. So I really didn't have to focus on the marketing aspect of how do I generate the leads, because I knew that they were just going to come in at that point. And my strong suit wasn't exactly cold calling. I felt like I was better at the follow up and getting that warm introduction. And with having that VA in place, doing the cold calling and bringing in those leads, it was just putting me right into work. Yeah.
Cool, that's pretty cool.
Mhm.
And what specific results can you share? I know you said that you haven't closed a deal yet, but you've had constant leads. What are the results that you can share right now?
Yeah. So I've already set about four meetings with homeowners, being able to meet them. I've submitted a few offers out there. So I'm really going, I think I'm, steadily increasing or accomplishing small goals, right? Setting up the meeting, talking to the homeowner, just kind of building that rapport and that relationship. So that's really the biggest accomplishments, because now essentially I'm filling up the pipeline. So although I haven't closed any deals today, I just know that they're coming. And also I'm able to continue to fill up the pipe. So when those deals do happen, I'm still having other deals, maybe 2-3 months down the road, depending. Every situation is unique, right? Some might be very quick, right? I know some of the counterparts and other clients have really are closing deals. Maybe it's just my market. But I know that these leads have been very valuable, and I think it's just only a matter of time once I'll be able to start closing.
Perfect. Yes, I think so too.
Mhm.
And what would you say to somebody who's on the fence on getting their VA?
No, I would say just give it a shot. If you're on the fence, I would say you're probably pretty serious on making that move. The support that comes with the VA, you get your VA manager, you got your operations team, everything that you're getting more than just hiring a VA for sure. You're getting all the training that comes with it. Because if you're if you're seeking out a VA, right, I'm pretty sure you there has you're probably seeking different VAs, right? Maybe REI call center, and whatever, whoever else is out there. But it's gonna require a lot of training and making sure the VA knows how to cold call, knows how to have that conversation with the homeowners. And that's gonna take some time. And then when it comes to maybe even turnover, if that VA doesn't work with you, then you have to go back and start from the very scratch. So if you're on the fence and you're busy and you just want to start getting leads from cold calling and start working those leads, just make the jump, do it. And I guarantee you're not going to fail unless you allow it to be. There's just a ton of support. There's just a lot of support. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect, Ruben.
Mhm.
That's really good. Thank you. Do you have anything else you'd like to add?
So far it's been a pretty good experience, working with the VA and then working with the REI call center team. I really appreciate Adam, jumping on his weekly calls, on being able to pull lists, teaching us how, some strategies on list pulling, because that's very important. I feel that if you don't know how to pull a list for your VAs to call, you might be spinning wheels, trying to be able to find those motivated sellers, because everybody's pulling lists. You got to find like the motivation. So I feel like that with Adam has been key. Also, Felipe has been jumping on from time to time and just doing follow-ups and cold calling, and just having us join to watch and kind of learn from his experience. I felt like that has been very helpful as well. Kind of see how he's talking to the homeowners, and how he's carrying out those conversations and negotiating. And then we have our chat group as well. I know we've been talking back and forth. Some of the other clients are asking questions, and everybody's jumping in to help out. So I just feel like it's everybody's invested into it, and everybody wants everybody to win for sure. And I just feel like everybody who's here with REI is serious about it, and that's what I really like. Nobody's wasting anybody's time. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Thank
Mhm.
you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you, Ruben. I appreciate your answers. These are all the questions that I had for you.
Hmm.
Do you grant us permission to feature your testimony for our marketing material?
Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. I don't know. You know. If you're able to get anything useful out of it, sure, that won't be a
Perfect.
problem. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Ruben. I
Hmm.
appreciate you. So yeah, I don't know if do you have any questions for me or anything else you'd like to add?
Um. No, not at the moment. I think you guys are doing pretty good. And from the marketing standpoint, I know, I see you guys on social media and everything like that. um so I would just say, keep doing what you're doing. It's working for sure.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Thank you. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Ruben.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Perfect. So, okay, then I'll make sure to share with you whatever content we create from this interview. It might be maybe a post, it might be a little piece of the video and make it into an audio file. We don't know yet into the how. It will be translated into social media and our marketing materials, but I'll make sure to share that with you.
Yeah, that'd be great. Hopefully you're able to make some marketing material from this call. That'd be awesome. Yeah, I'd like to
Yes,
see that.
you shared great content. Thank you very much. I
Yeah,
appreciate that.
yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you. So
Awesome.
I hope you have a great day, and anything, you have my number. If you have any questions or anything, I can help you with.
Yeah, if you have, if you need me to jump on a call again, just let me know. If you want me to answer any specific questions, just let me know as well. I'll be more than happy to support you guys in any way.
Perfect, perfect. I
Yeah,
appreciate that, Ruben.
sure.
Have a beautiful day.
Okay, you too. Take care.
Bye bye.
See ya.